Want to watch your favorite anime anytime, anywhere? In this video, I'll show you how to use the Crunchyroll app to watch anime series on your phone or tablet. So, let's get started. First, open the Crunchyroll app on your phone or tablet. If you don't have it installed yet, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once the app opens, sign in to your Crunchyroll account. If you don't have an account, tap Create Account and create one by following the on-screen instructions. After signing in, you'll be taken to the Crunchyroll home screen. Before watching any anime, make sure you have a Crunchyroll membership, otherwise you won't be able to watch any anime on the app. Once you get a membership, you can browse featured anime, new releases, trending shows, and recommended series. To find a specific anime, tap the search icon and type the name of the show you're looking for. Once you find an anime, tap on it to open its details page. Here you can view episode lists, season information, descriptions, ratings, available languages. To start watching, simply tap on an episode. The video will begin playing automatically. While watching, you can use the player controls to pause or resume playback, skip forward or backward, adjust video quality, enable subtitles, change the audio language if available. And that's how you can watch anime series using the Crunchyroll app on your phone or tablet. Thanks for watching.